Dear students, the motion of a particle or a body along straight line is termed to be rectilinear motion. So let us discuss a problem related to rectilinear motion. A train starts from rest and attains a velocity of 45 km per hour in 2 minutes with uniform acceleration. Calculate acceleration, distance traveled in this duration and time required to reach a velocity of 36 km per hour. The data given in the problem are the motion of a train is considered. In the problem it is given that the train starts from rest. Okay, so the initial velocity u of the train can be considered to be 0 and it is following a rectilinear motion. After 2 minutes of time, its velocity is found to be 45 km per hour. For this case, it is asked to find out the acceleration a, distance travelled in 2 minutes while attaining 45 km per hour velocity and time required to reach a velocity of 36 km per hour. We can solve this problem using equations of motion, that is v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus of at square and v square is equal to u square plus 2as. These are all the equations of rectilinear motion. For the given case, to find out the uniform acceleration of the train, for the given data, we can use the first equation of motion, that is v is equal to u plus a into t. Here, v is the final velocity, that is the velocity of the train at the second considered stage. The value of v is given as 45 km per hour. To use this value in the formula, we have to substitute this in SI unit. So, kilometer per hour should be converted into meter per second. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. 45 km per hour is equal to 12.5 meter per second. Okay. And u is initial velocity of the train. It is given that 0. That is, at the initial condition, the train starts from rest condition. Okay. To reach 45 km per hour velocity, the train takes 2 minutes of time. So in SI units, this is 2 into 60, 120 seconds. Okay. Now we can substitute the values of u, v and t in this expression. V is equal to 12.5 meter per second, u is 0 plus acceleration into time 120 seconds. Then we can get the value of uniform acceleration a is equal to 0.1042 meter per second square. Okay. In the second subdivision, it is asked to calculate the distance travelled by the train in this time 2 minutes. Okay. For that, we can use the second equation of motion, that is s is equal to ut plus of at square. The initial velocity of the train is 0, time is 120 seconds plus half into uniform acceleration of the train is 0.1042 meter per second square into time 120 seconds. Okay, so the distance travelled by the train in this 2 minutes of time is 750.24 meter. In the third subdivision, it is asked to calculate the time taken by the train to reach 36 km per hour velocity. For that, we can use the first equation, v is equal to u plus at. The final velocity to be considered here as 36 km per hour. So to convert this into SI unit, that is meter per second, 36 into 1 kilometer is 1000 meter divided by 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So 36 km per hour is 10 meter per second. Initial velocity of the train is given as 0. Uniform acceleration value we have calculated in the previous step as 0.1042 meter per second square. Now we can use this equation. V is equal to 10 meter per second, u is 0 plus acceleration 0.1042 into t. So the time taken by the train to reach 36 km per hour is 95.9693 seconds. Uniform acceleration of the train a is equal to 0.1042 meter per second square. Distance travelled by the train in 2 minutes of time, s is equal to 750.24 meter. Time taken by the train to reach 36 km per hour velocity is 95.9693 seconds.